It's been a million years since I posted my last YouTube video, but here I am, and I'm back. What's up, guys? My name's Kimberly. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about wigs and the wig I'm wearing specifically. I also have a couple other wigs that I'm going to show you in this video, just to kind of show you, without taking this one off, what the wigs look like, what you should expect when you get your wig. So this one is from Luvmehair. It's a company I found out about on Instagram. They have super affordable wigs. They always have promos going on, and so far I've loved pretty much every wig that I've gotten from them. To start, hi Rubius. Hi kitten. That's the fat cat, Rubius. So let's just get into it. So this is a 20-inch straight full lace wig from Luvmehair. It was, how much was it? I don't remember how much it was, but I will put that in the bottom bar for you guys to see. I got this wig 4 days ago, beginning of the weekend. Yeah, so today is Monday. I got it on Friday, and it's pretty beautiful. I really, really like it. It's so soft. It smells good. It takes a curl really well. These are curls from this morning. It is like 6 o'clock and the curls are still looking cute. That's 6 o'clock, right? So yeah, I really like it. So when you get your package from Luvmehair, you're gonna get a flat iron, a little gift bag, and this little pop-up wig stand. They give you all these awesome little things, and Luvme always has different promos going on. Like I got this wig for, all their wigs were listed as like 50% off over Labor Day weekend, or whenever I bought it. Yeah, I bought it for Labor Day weekend and I got it before Labor Day. Like that's how fast their shipping is. It was 2 days that I ordered it. Like their promo started Wednesday, I think I ordered it. I got it by Friday, and Labor Day was Monday. So they had that promo going on the whole weekend, and I got it an additional 20% off also. So it was like 70% off. So that was good. The little gift bag that you get comes with tweezers, some clippies like this, an elastic band for those of you who want to use an elastic band. I do have an elastic band attached to mine just because it feels more secure for me that way. With everything that I do, I need security, you know what I'm saying? It comes with bobby pins and lots of cute little things in this little bag. So let's see, what can I tell you about the hair? It doesn't really tangle. It's only been a few days, but I was wearing it out when I was out all weekend and it was really, really hot. I was really sweaty back here, and it didn't like get all matted up and gross or anything like that. Let's see, what else? Oh, so for applying the frontal, I used the Got to Be Freeze spray without the gel. I will post a link to the video that I watched to show me how to do this down in the bottom bar below. So I just, sprayed the front with that, waited for it to dry a little bit, and used a rat tail comb to tap down the edges. And the wigs do come pre-customized. I did a little bit of additional customizing to mine, like I re-bleached the knots because the wigs say they come bleached, pre-bleached knots, but when I get it, I don't really feel like it looks like it's that bleached. So I pre-bleached or re-bleached them again myself. And then since I have a low hairline and my eyebrow is really close to my hairline and my little baby hairs here, I found a video on YouTube of a girl who showed how to make your wig look more natural if you have a low hairline. So I will also link that video down below. Basically all I did was pluck the hairs along the front of this bit here, since my forehead sits farther back than my hairline on the side. So that, I was very afraid to try it because I was like, oh God, what if I pluck this too much and then it's gonna look crazy? But it ended up looking okay. So yeah, I really, really like it. I'm really happy with it. I was like so nervous that I was gonna jack it up because wigs in the past, which I will show you, I have jacked up. So let me show you a couple of the other wigs I have. This one right here is the first wig that I got from Luvme. I bought it at the beginning of summer. This is the 20-inch body wave. So this is what it looks like after being worn all summer. And I've sprayed it with some water to kind of get the curls to pop a little bit, but then I brushed them out. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, It was a little too hot for me to wear. There's a lot of hair throughout the summer. So I only wore it a couple of times, but now that I've finally figured out how to work this frontal area, it looks better now. So the inside of your lace wig is gonna come like this. This one's another full lace. It has a clip in the back, 2 clips on the sides, like that. And then it has the little adjustable strap. And I also added an elastic band to this one. The elastic band method is really awesome, you guys. Like, I really don't have to tack it down with Got2b if I don't want to, but in the summer and when you're hot and you're running around, it's nice to do that if you feel like it. That wig I really, really liked. I'll still wear that one, but this other wig that I got, I didn't love so much. So Luvme has a bunch of different kinds of wigs on their site. They have like full lace, they have 360 wigs, frontal wigs, they sell bundles and all of that, and then they also sell U parts. So I wanted to try the U part, but the way my hair is set up, my natural hair, it didn't really work out the way I wanted it to. So my hair is a little too thin for a U part, but this is what the U part looks like. This one I think also is a body wave, like that. Those little white dots are because I decided I wanted to add some hair to it because it seemed a little thin for how I like my hair. But I did it on one of those styrofoam wig caps, and all the little foam bits are stuck to the inside. But, oops. So it comes with the adjustable straps on the inside at the bottom. There's a couple bobby pins in it from when I tried it on. And then there's clips at the top also, like that. And you basically just like put it on, take your leave out part out, straighten that, and just use that to cover up the little U part section. This wig would be great if I had thick enough hair to cover the U part at the top. But the reason I added some hair to this one is because, like, so basically when I got it, after I washed it, because I always wash my wigs when I get them, there was like, you could see the tracks because they were so spaced on the wig. So I just filled in the spaces with some hair that I had lying around, and I'll probably use this eventually. I'll keep it because eventually once my hair decides to thicken itself up in the crown here, I'll be able to get some use of it. So, or I'll give it to somebody, who knows. But let's see, what else? There's no shedding, no tangles, super fast shipping. So my first wig that I ordered from them was shipped through DHL. The U part one was also shipped through DHL, but this one was shipped through FedEx, and it did get delayed one day. It was still fast shipping, and I wasn't upset about it, but I don't know how they decided what company they send it through, but that's just how it went down. Let's see. Oh, so when I was doing this wig, you guys, when I got this, you know, when you get a new wig, you're always eager. You're like, oh my God, I want to put it on right away. I don't want to wait. I just want it to be ready for me right now. And I was bleaching the knots, being impatient, and I over bleached. So the roots were like that yellowish orange color. What I did to fix that was use this magic root cover up from L'Oreal. It's like the dark brown color. And I just like spritzed it here to cover up the root where I had messed it up. So now it looks fine, you can't even tell. But that's that, you guys. It's really great. I really like it. It's really pretty. And I hope you guys like it too. So let me know if you guys have any questions. If you want to see me in the other wig and I can show you guys how I put it on, I can make a video of that for you guys too. But I'm gonna go eat this corn on the cob, and I'll check in with you guys at another time. Bye.